Hello everybody, today in front of me I have ODYS Thanos tablet, and in this video we are going to demonstrate how you can activate the separate number row at the keyboard of this device. First of all, that's exactly how the keyboard looks like without this separate number line. Here you can go to the keyboard settings either by pressing on the gear icon, or we can also do it directly from the settings application. So let's open it. Here, scroll down until you stumble upon the system category. At the system category, go for the languages and inputs. Here, we gotta choose the virtual keyboard. Go to the keyboard page that is currently set at your device, in my case, and by default it is always going to be the Gboard. And at the Gboard, make sure to enter the preferences at the settings page. And all that is left to do for us is to turn on this switch. And as you will see now, if we'll call out for the keyboard once again, the separate number row has been successfully activated and appeared right on top of the characters. Alrighty, so that was it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.